Welcome. Today, we're diving into a popular question among Instagram users: how to see who liked an Instagram carousel post. With the platform constantly updating, it's essential to stay informed about the latest features. Let's break down the steps you need to follow. First, open the Instagram app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your feed or profile where you can find the carousel post you want to check. Next, find the carousel you want to investigate. Carousels are unique posts that contain multiple images or videos that users can swipe through. They often attract more engagement than single image posts, making them a popular choice for sharing content. So scroll through your feed or head to your profile and locate that specific carousel. Once you've found it, click on the count of likes displayed below the post. This count not only shows how many people appreciated the carousel, but also allows you to see exactly who those users are. When you tap on this number, a list will pop up revealing all the accounts that liked your post. This feature is particularly useful for gauging engagement and understanding your audience better. In summary, these 3 simple steps will help you discover who liked your Instagram carousel. Open the app, find the desired carousel, and click on the like count. By following these steps, you can enhance your interaction with your followers and keep track of who is engaging with your content. Instagram continues to evolve, and knowing how to navigate these features can significantly enhance your experience on the platform. So go ahead and explore those carousels. You might discover some insights about your audience that could inform your future posts.